these are actually two different expressions. Okay, the first one is eme lang. Actually, can you guys say it? Eme lang. On three. Go. 1, 2, 3.
Para ini Miss Pops.
Eme lang.
Yes. And our third word is...
That's how you did it.
Ginaya na lang daw, may nagganon. Okay, okay. Oh. What do you think this means? Eme lang, charot. What do you think that means?
Eme lang. Charot. 됐어.
Never mind.
됐어.
Tama, tama. Okay, so these two expressions are actually very similar. They're both the same way of saying, it's a joke. Parang just kidding. It applies pa rin pala. Oh, joke lang. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now, let's try and apply it through an interaction with the fans. So I think maybe what we'll do is we will give you a sentence, or I will say a sentence, and then your response to that will be first, eme lang. Okay, so that's where the interaction ends. And then the second sentence I give you, your reaction to it will be, charot. But you have to say it like that with feeling. Charot.
Okay, I like it.
Okay, here we go. I heard that you're having so much fun that this 2-hour show is going to be a 4-hour show.
eme lang.
Okay.
근데 둘이 다 다른 말이에요?
Are those two different? Like it has different meanings?
근데 이게 누구나 다 쓰는 말이에요?
Is this a word that everyone uses?
난 이 말 한 번도 안 써봤다.
Raise your hand if you haven't used this word in your entire life.
Ever?
많은데?
Ang dami.
But you're aware, diba? If they're popular terms, they're